Teuna Classic LUNC community giving all their best for Teuna Classic coin. Now, the community of Teuna Classic have bought a total of 41,710,802,860 Teuna Classic LUNC coin has been destroyed by Luna community. Wow, almost 42 billion coins being destroyed by Luna community. Okay, now this 42 billion bond I did not include the tax bond. Okay, this is just people sending in Luna Classic coins to wallets. Okay, people donating, people who wish to bond. So community, for me, I think they've really done a lot. I mean, for people to must have sent over almost 42 billion coins of Teuna Classic to a dead wallet. I mean, it means they love this coin. They want to make sure that the coin keep increasing. They are showing their great support. Though so many people believe that by now the community would have burned over 300 billion to 500 billion coins. So I see have some other group of people saying that Teuna Classic did not burn more coin. The community did not burn more coin because we have people that owns over 1 trillion coins, but yet the whole community of Teuna Classic are just burning about 42 billion coins. So imagine just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 of these top holders of Teuna Classic decides to burn 5 billion or 13 billion coins. That means LUNC would have burned almost 200 billion. So they believe that for the community, they are actually, we believe that those that must have burned this number are definitely those that have small coins of Teuna Classic. Those who have huge amount of Teuna Classic coins, I believe they are not really burning. You can see those who invested $100 that are even ready to sacrifice $10. That is the truth. But those who have over $1 million, most times you don't see them doing anything. Most times you don't see them burning. Most times you don't see them trying to encourage. But you see someone with $100 investment, you see someone with $200 investment willing to burn $10, willing to burn $15. But someone with about $1 million investment or $2 million investment is not willing to burn anything. Okay, so I believe if the community can really support, if everyone, I mean every Teuna Classic community, every Teuna Classic holder wishes to burn, even though it's just 5% of their holding, I mean, we definitely will be burning a lot of coins. Remember, we have over 5.8 trillion out there in circulation. So it's also in the hands of people. Okay, so I believe if we decide to burn just 10%, you are talking about huge burning. Okay, over 500 billion will be burned, or 600 billion coins of Teuna Classic will be destroyed. So, but for me, I think 42 billion being destroyed by Teuna Classic community. Of course, they did their best, but let's wish for the best. And I believe in future we'll be burning more coins than what we are burning right now. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.